Hey guys, I'm Moyen from Joyous Balloon. Today I'm going to show you how to do balloon flowers. I hope you subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like what I do, so that I can produce quality video for all of you. Let's get started. So this from the side view, it looks like this. Alright, so the distortion balloon actually is like that. Alright, the apple twist, okay, and the bow like that. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to produce this flower petal. Alright, so this flower petal, this one is the clear yellow. This is just clear itself. So if I turn this way, you will see the one that with yellow, right, has slightly yellowish color. The one just clear is purely just that. So this is a distortion method. I'm going to show you how to do it, so we can be like using it. If for this particular sculpture, I'm demonstrating it with this balloon flower. So this is the side view, right? The front view, the top view. That's how it looks like. So let's go ahead and make this distortion flower petal. All right. So for distortion flower, how to maintain consistent size? Consistent sizing can be achieved by controlling the outer balloon. So what we do is we take a 260, right, and then insert fold like 3 finger. So the length of the folding, right, is actually this size here, same size with the balloon, right? So insert in like this, so that is the size that we need here. Okay, so I'll put it in like that. So insert in same length, so there is no extra length. So this length control is very important. So that's how I do it. So then I'll insert the pump into the outer balloon. Alright, insert the pump into the outer balloon, hold it, and then the rest I took 3 pumps. So this one also have to be 3 strokes. So this one also have to be 3 strokes. So go 1, 2, 3, and hold it there. Right? Hold it. So the rest is still hanging there. So for it not to have any trouble, I'll just have to twist a bit like this. Then take the pump, insert into the pink color one. Insert in the nozzle of the pink color. Alright. So then I will slide my hand down to grab everything together. Right. By grabbing, then I am able to pump. But internally, the inside now is curled, so I'm afraid it may not come out well. Alright, let's try. 2, 3. So yeah, luckily it turns out okay, not too bad. It's still able to do it. Usually I would like the center to be very neat. So how to control sizing? Because the external one is 3 stroke, then it should be more or less the same size with this one. Alright, so if I judge my sizing is more or less there. Alright, okay. So how to control the size is by controlling the external size. We know that how big the outside is. So when we pump up the inside, we will fill up according to the external shape, and we quickly stop. That's how we can achieve consistent sizing for the 5 petals, right? So the external one, we don't have quite worry about it now. So yeah, the internal one, we have to tie it now. All right, tie the internal to the pink color. So we got the size right. Let the outside one go is fine. All right. Then we tie the internal one. So I have got something like that. Then can let go of the air and can trim off it. Like that. So this is a clear balloon, right, with the 260 pink inside. Okay, having done this, my nozzle is still there. So if you have a look, it's like that. One is tied up, one is not. Okay, now I'm going to inflate the external one again. So I inflate the external one, so it looks like this. Depend on I would like to have this amount of air, so I got to adjust until it is like the same size, right? from the side view as well. So then I will just tie it. Okay, tie it. Okay, like that. No? Acceptable? I think so. Okay, let's go ahead and do the rest. So the petals are done. So now I'm going to combine the petals. The petals, combine them. Combine, just tying, normal tying, nothing much. So a pair, tie it. Okay, so there is 3 plus the double I did this now, just combine. So I have 1 to 5 of these, 5 petals. So I'm going to continue with the leaves. Leaves, I'll have it a bit longer stalk, right? Like 4-finger tail. Alright, so this one I'll leave it first, right, before I continue with the rest. So I would like to do an apple twist, okay, or for the center of the flowers. Huh? So how apple twist works, okay? So let me show you. Alright, so I just do a 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, this is the like 4-finger bubble, right? And tie it far. The nozzle must be far away, right? Nozzle must be far away like this. Okay. So then we will do apple twist. So squeeze the air to the front. So behind we have plenty of rubber. That is where we will actually not burst the balloon. Huh? Push the air to the front, then push it in. Alright. Then grab the tail, pull out, right? Like that. Okay. That is the apple twist. So we will take this green balloon attached to apple twist. Put it apple twist end and make sure you tie it tight so it will come undone. So this way should work, huh? Okay, now I have the apple twist lined up. Okay, together. Alright. So at the back here, right, I just tuck it in. So be careful, it may come out. Okay. So I got to handle carefully. It shouldn't come out if we are careful. Alright. So I hold the nozzle and also how to say, the nozzle and the resin that we pull with the apple twist before. Alright, we hold them both. So this one I loosen and insert into the petals. Alright. I'll show you how I. I have my apple twist. Okay, and let me adjust nicely. Alright. So I better like turn one more round to make sure that it's all secure and nice. For me, I always like to turn the running end. Okay, so we are good. And they all combine, right? So that's how it looks like when we combine it together. Okay. So yeah. Then for the balloon to face forward, right? Then we will do a bubble. Okay. And a pinch twist so that it will face forward. I got this. Okay. Next, I just do the normal petal, normal zigzag flower petal. Shape the leaf a bit, then you got this. So this is my design today I'm showing. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye.